But have you been seeing her movies? Have you followed the work that she's done over the
I've
last
seen
few
every
years?
film that Deepika has done
Yeah.
from the start of her career. You know, I've always maintained this, that it's wonderful. It's a good feeling actually. And I say this with complete honesty. I don't say this as a hypocrite or somebody who's trying to, you know, compliment her because she's sitting and have a movie coming out. But I feel proud of her. I feel that when I worked with her in Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, I've never been intimidated by any actor. If it's my father, if it's any co-actor, if junior, senior, male, female, I felt she was doing things and she was surprising me constantly in a take, and that just, you know, it was a driving factor for me to work hard and to kind of understand, okay, you know, I need to kind of do this better. And it's, you feel proud, yeah. You feel, okay, you know, she's reached so far. I mean, there are times when we weren't together that I have gone to her house and I've said, what are you doing? Why are you doing these kind of movies? And I expect the same from her. If I'm doing something wrong, if I'm doing a bad film, if I'm making wrong choices, if I'm misguided, if I'm going wrong somewhere, she has complete authority to come to me, slap my face and tell me, listen, wake up. You need to kind of, you know, focus, because you're being hailed as someone who has potential. So don't kind of screw it up for yourself.
Right.
So we have that kind of relationship.